Here's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. GMC, professional grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. Experience it for yourself today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.